I'm Jay with SIGA, and we're here today at a project where the vapor control air, SIGA Majrex, has been installed. The seam has been taped. You can see the blue showing through along the floor. That is SIGA Majvest that has been wrapped out over the rim joist on the exterior and back in underneath us. So here we're going to tape from the Majrex over the SIGA Majvest and onto the subfloor. We're going to do that all with Rissan 100, our 4-inch interior air sealing tape. We want to make sure that our subfloor is clean, free of dust and debris. So I'm just going to take a broom and clean up quickly. We're going to have a split back here. This is going to help us find the corner much easier, allow us to work more efficiently. Hold along the corner. I'm going to peel the upper portion of the split backing off, and I'm going to work this onto the Majrex. Now that I've reached the end, I'm going to peel off the bottom backing strip and press the Rissan 100 onto the subfloor. So that was air sealing at the base joint of the Majrex and the subfloor with Rissan 100, our 4-inch interior air sealing tape. Thank you for watching.